Abusuafo mema wo afishia pa ene akwaba eba channel yusu. On the menu today is Ghana Abele Walls the custard aye. Na mete wonhwe yeti Ghana yi how do we make Ghana authentic Abele Walls without sokodia? You will need a chewing stick for this recipe. Again, I'll be using custard, 4 heaped teaspoonful of non-dairy, margarine, condensed milk, vanilla, strawberry essence, and sugar. The custard will serve as the thickening agent or the base. I also added a little bit of salt, which is optional though. Into my mixing bowl, I will scoop 2 heaped tablespoonfuls of the custard and mix with water. If today is your first time here, you are most welcome to my channel. My name is Mame Bema. On this platform, I share my lifestyle, which includes faith, food, culture, and any other thing that is ethically and morally good through my lens. To my OGs, I say Aiko, well done. Thank you. On a low heat, I'm boiling some water, and to that I will add the custard and be stirring continuously. The key word is continuously to avoid lumps. When I feel that the heat is too much, I will lift it up from the heat and still be stirring to avoid it being lumpy. So I've been cooking it for over 5 minutes until now I'll come and pour it into my mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoonful of margarine. Margarine, you can add it whilst on fire or down from fire because the heat is going to still melt it anyway, but do not stop stirring. Non-dairy, I added 6 tablespoonfuls of the condensed milk. So I'll mix it together. Then maybe I'll be egu custard in them. I usually use the Tree language for my cooking videos, but because of Vlogmas, I need to support others film and also edit my videos. That is why I am intentionally adding the Tree with the English. So I am trying my best to use few keywords of the Tree language that you can understand. Initially, I was rooting for a sugar-free ice cream, but the sister lady and the daughter, they insisted that I add sugar. Intermediate sugar, 1 spoonful, and I have 2. Yeah, we use 1 yede baako pe ena yede ekumu. Nti eno na mede water kakra ebefra na afei mede abegum to lighten the consistency of the ice cream. The consistency was too heavy. Until I added the essence to water and you can directly pour the essence in, but make sure that you keep stirring until you are done. If not, it is going to harden up at the surface. Now surface depending on the school you attended. I want to take this opportunity to share with us all why our grandmother started their Abele Walls journey or business with chewing stick. In our days, dentists recommend that after eating, we rinse our mouth with water. Ideally, we should brush our teeth, but depending on where we find ourselves, the least we can do to help ourselves is to rinse our mouth with water. So our grandparents knew this beforehand. After eating the sweet, you chew the stick to get rid of all the impurities, all the sweetness out of your mouth. So the next time you make Abele Walls, why don't you try the chewing stick? After all, it's less expensive. Finally, I am done. So I have poured the ice cream into my cups. If you can tell, I have used different shapes of cups. The bigger ones, I saved them. I stored them from Mami Sewe's baby food days. If you don't have any of these two molds, you can buy ice cream rubber. When you go to any shop that sells polythene bags, you tell them you want rubber for Abele Walls. They will give you, so you come and tie. For me, I didn't have and I didn't want to buy, so probably next time I'll buy that one and try with you. Mercy, when Necha got married, we made this for her reception. Na ansudi, I tell you, na ekoye ankasa. Give it a try, or if you have tried it before, share your experience with me in the comment section. What I like most about homemade is you decide on what to put in and what quantity to use. Trust me, we use sugar in here, but it is minimal compared to what is sold outside. So make this for your children, and if possible, stop buying the already made ones. After about 15 hours in the freezer, I served it to my family, and this has been Mami Sewe's song. Ice cream. Ice cream. Until I come your way with another video, keep hope alive. Bye bye.